from the Warren County Library Northeast Branch. For this Makers Day, I'm going to show you how to make a crewmate from the video game Among Us. I made him out of Perler beads. So for this craft, you'll need Perler beads or fused beads, a pegboard, ironing paper, an iron, and a supervising adult to help you with the project. I made my crewmate pink because that's the color I like to play, but you can use any color combination you want. For my thing, I used 57 black beads, 24 light pink beads, 21 pink beads, and 8 white beads, and I'll also include a pattern for you guys.